Now moving to ninth problem from exercise 5.2. Exercise 5.2, ninth problem. Refer to the textbook. For the question, please refer to the textbook. The question is, in a class of 60 students, each boy contributed money to the number of girls and each girl contributed money equal to the number of boys. If the total money then collected was rupees 1600, how many boys were there in the class? I repeat the question. In a class of 60 students, each boy contributed money equal to the number of girls and each girl contributed money equal to the number of boys. If the total money then collected was rupees 1600, how many boys were there in the class? So ninth question is, let the number of now let us assume let the number of boys be x. Let the number of girls be y. According to the question, each boy contributed money equal to the number of girls. So, amount given by each boy. So, how many students are there? Total number of students. Total number of students are 60. That is, number of boys and number of girls together, they are 60. So, x plus y is equal to 60. Amount contributed by boy. Amount contributed by each boy is equal to the number of girls. So how many girls are there? It is equal to rupees y. Number of girls is y, so amount contributed by each boy is rupees y. Amount contributed by each girl is equal to number of boys according to the question. It is equal to rupees x. Now the total amount is rupees 1600. So total amount is rupees 1600. That is the number of boys into their contribution plus the number of girls with the contribution is equal to rupees 1600. So x into y will give you xy plus x into y into x will again give you xy is equal to 1600. xy plus xy is 2xy is equal to 1600. So we get xy is equal to 1600 divided by 2. So xy is equal to, when we divide 1600 by 2, we will get 800. So xy is equal to 800. Then we know that x plus y is equal to 60 and xy is equal to 800. So we can get the value of y as y value can be found out as 800 by x, taking this y value and substituting in this equation. So we will get x plus y is equal to 60. So x plus y value is 800 by x is equal to 60. So taking the LCM, x by 1 times x plus 800 by x equals 60. X times x is x square by x plus 800 by x is equal to 60, which is equal to x square plus 800 whole divided by x is equal to 60. So x square plus 800 is equal to 60 into x. This x will go here. So x square plus 800 is equal to 60x. X square minus 60x plus 800 is equal to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation and we now have to find the factors of 800. Now let us find the factors of 800. 2, 400, just 2 times 50, 25, 5 times 5 times 1. Now let us see what are the factors of 800 so as to get the middle term as minus 60. So 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 times 2 is 16, 16 times if I take this 5 times 5 is 20. So I can get the factors as 40x and 20x. Now let us see how to get 40. 2 times 2, 4, 5 times 2, 10, 40, 4 and 10, 2 times 2, 4 and 5. So when you So the factors are x square minus 40x minus 20x plus 800 is equal to 0. So here I can take x common, x times x minus 40 minus 20 I can take common, x minus 40 is equal to 0. So x minus 20 times x minus 40 is equal to 0. X is equal to 20 and x is equal to 40. So we may get the number of boys as 20 or 40. Therefore the number of boys in the class can be 20 or 40. Therefore number of boys in the class can be either 20 or 40.